How do you become a computer? Scene 1. Primitive people in the pre-language era used to express their thoughts by drawing pictures on caves and temples, geometric shapes on walls, and expressive drawings on cave entrances. They used this method for communication and interaction. Scene 2. Today, on social media platforms, people express their thoughts using pictorial expressions or emojis to interact with each other, almost as if we have returned to the primitive era. Analysis. The human brain is programmed with designs, software, communication patterns, ways of thinking, and even American linguistic vocabulary, which is studied under neuro-linguistic programming, NLP. From the first step of booting a personal computer, we are influenced by the American company Microsoft, extending to applications like WhatsApp. Recent studies and research have shown that the brain functionally and biologically adapts to the technologies and communication patterns it uses daily, developing a neural mapping very similar to these interactions. For example, intensive interaction with iPad screens leads to a tablet-like brain communication pattern, and Facebook guides users toward its vocabulary such as like, follow, picture, express, add friend, today's favorites, notebook. Problem. Firstly, the language. If pictorial expressions replace words in this manner, it poses a real danger to language, decreasing its use, diminishing its diversity and richness, and reducing emotions and feelings, happiness, joy, delight, pleasure, to just one picture, emoji. We also regress to a time when language was not yet discovered, and people communicated by drawing pictures and carving various shapes to convey specific ideas. Secondly, ideas. Concerning spoken language and different vocabulary, what about the values and ideas ingrained in users' minds, which are more dangerous than mere changes in speech? These aim to widely spread the culture, values, and plans of adversaries in a subtle manner that does more than what weapons of mass destruction, atomic bombs, and hydrogen bombs can do in the long run. Thirdly, behavior. 1. Individuals focus on their image, not their values, principles, and ethics, focusing on appearance rather than content. 2. Facebook asks, "What are you thinking about?" but does not ask, "How do you appear?" Understanding the question is half the answer. 3. Transforming the mind from a thought factory into a photo album. 4. Moving from a civilization of ideas to a civilization of things, as expressed by Malek Benabi, by trying to link an individual's level and value to the things associated with them like a car, a phone, a fancy place, a sign, a natural view. 1. Keep writing regularly so as not to lose many words and let images replace words. 2. Engage in at least one discussion daily to maintain your linguistic capital. 3. Speak, express, converse, but do not remain silent, as you will lose many words and terms. 4. Try to distance yourself a bit from these devices to avoid their risks and toxins. 5. Maintain your linguistic capital by employing it, using it, and spreading it widely, and shift your focus from your image, self-love, and narcissism to your mind, thoughts, and creativity.